We are now on question 6.3. Write down the equation of the inverse of f in the form y is equal to. This is a very common question and it's very easy to do. Okay, just 2 steps, then you get your 2 marks. Right, so what do we do when we want to write the inverse of f of x? Right, so this is f of x. Remember the inverse function, the x becomes the y, or the x coordinate becomes the y coordinate becomes the x coordinate. So we do the same thing here. So where there's y, we put x, and then where there's x, we put y. That's the first step. So you swap x and y. Let's swap here. So where there's y here, we put x. Where there's x, we put y. So it becomes x is equal to log y to base 4. Right. And then that's the first step. Remember that. First step. Then second step, make y the subject. So we are changing from logarithmic form to exponential form. So this is 4 to the power x is equal to y. Okay, done. Right, in the form y is equal to. So this y is equal to 4 to the power x. Okay, so just 2 steps. You swap x and y. In the second step, make y the subject. You're done. Get your 2 marks. Okay, we're going to meet when we do question 6.4.